Hey guys, Lisa here with CreativeFashionBlog.com, and today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to make some wide leg palazzo pants. This printable sewing pattern can be downloaded and printed from a basic at-home printer at modernsewingpatterns.com. To complete this project, you'll want to block out about an hour and a half of your time to put your sewing pattern together and finish your palazzo pants, but I'm going to walk you through every step of the way.
First, assemble and print out your patterns. Then, lay out your fabric and cut out your pattern pieces. You will need to cut 2 leg pieces and 1 waistband piece. With your right sides together, fold 1 leg in half, lining up your side seams. Pin the side seams together and sew. You can either use a serger or a narrow zigzag stitch with a ballpoint needle. Repeat on the other side so you have 2 legs that resemble long tubes. Now that our legs are sewn together, it's time to attach them at the crotch. With the right sides together, match your pant pieces at the center back and pin into place. Then work your way around the crotch of your pants until you're at the center front. Sew together along this curve. Now that your project is beginning to resemble pants, it's time to finish them off by adding the waistband. Set your leg pattern pieces aside and get your waistband pattern piece out. Fold your waistband in half hamburger style, so the short ends are together. Sew along the short edge. Now your waistband is a short tube of fabric. Bring each end of your stitch line together by folding the waistband in half so the raw seams are together. You're going to place a pin at the stitch line. This will mark your center back. Then, gently stretch your waistband tube in either direction to find the exact opposite side. Place a pin here to mark the center front. Be sure that the raw ends of your fabric are still together. Next, hold your waistband on either side and stretch to pull the 2 needles together, finding the location of your side seams. Pin to mark. This technique is called the quartered off method and also works really great on bindings for t-shirts. Now that your waistband has marks at the center back, center front, and side seams, it's time to match those points up with your pant legs. Pin them into place. Stretch and sew around the opening to put it all together. This will create the gathered look at the top of your wide leg pants and a beautifully fitted waistline. If you'd like, now is the time to hem the bottom of your pant legs. For this tutorial, I chose not to because the fabric I selected isn't one that's going to fray, and I love the drape of this look. Now is my favorite part. You get to try your new pants on and see how they fit. I love how comfortable these pants are and how versatile they are.